Climate change, driven by human activities, continues to reshape our planet, with one of the most alarming implications is increased occurrence of soil erosion. As temperatures rise and weather patterns become more erratic, the intensity and frequency of rainfall events fluctuate stability of our precious soils. In certain regions, climate change has increased the frequency of intense rainfall events. These heavy downpours result in increased runoff, carrying away precious topsoil and causing erosion. The effects of soil erosion due to climate change are significant. It is not only causing serious agricultural destruction, but also affecting the water quality and disrupting aquatic ecosystem. However, there is hope in the midst of this environmental disaster. In the battle against soil erosion, vegetation cover has emerged as a powerful ally. Vegetation cover, which include trees, grasses and other plants, acts as a shield against the erosive forces of rainfall. The extensive network of roots that plants generate beneath the surface binds the soil together, forming a solid base that prevents erosion. This root system acts as a natural anchor, preventing the soil from being easily swept away by the force of water. On top of that, vegetation cover intercepts rainfall, reducing the force of raindrops hitting the soil surface. This dispersion of energy minimizes the erosive potential of raindrops, protecting our soil from degradation. Recently, a group of committed students carried out an experiment to discover better the effect of vegetation cover on soil erosion. Their objective was to prove the significance of vegetation in mitigating erosion and its subsequent impact on water quality parameters. The students set up controlled experiments where they simulated rainfall on 3 different bottles, 2 with vegetation cover, which are B and C, whereas A without vegetation cover. The student used a sachet dish to measure the turbidity of the runoff water in each bottle. The runoff water in bottle A has a high water turbidity, while bottle B and C have lower water turbidity. Next, the students measure the amount of soil runoff and erosion in each scenario. The results of their experiment were compelling. The area with vegetation cover experienced significantly less soil runoff and erosion compared to the bare surface. This finding reinforces the critical role that vegetation plays in protecting our soils. These young researchers have not only contributed to our understanding of soil erosion, but have also highlighted the importance of preserving and promoting vegetation cover in the face of climate change. In summary, climate change poses a significant threat to our soil through increased erosion. However, the power of vegetation cover cannot be underestimated. This experiment serves as a reminder that each of us can make a difference. As we continue to witness the effect of climate change, let us remember the power of vegetation cover in protecting our soils. It is through our collective efforts that we can protect our soil. Together, we can create a more resilient and sustainable future for generations to come. That concludes tonight's climate change report. Thank you for joining us. Stay informed, stay engaged, and let's work together to address the challenges of our changing climate. Good night.